Hi everyone, I'm Devin, and I'm the product manager over the Technician Portal and Machine Dashboard, which were recently released as part of L2L's dispatch module. I want to share a few ideas with you so you can take advantage of all the time-saving features dispatch has to offer. Today's tips and tricks video will show you how to optimize your use of the Technician Portal and Machine Dashboard. Let's jump right into the Technician Portal. I'll start by showing you the updates we made in the Filters window. We updated the My Dispatch filter so you can exclude dispatches that you launched. We added options to the time frame filter so you can filter dispatches by their schedule date. And we also added the system status filter. We added some options to the sort menu so you can sort your dispatch list by schedule date. And finally, we added this quick filter bar to save you even more time. You don't have to open the filter window to switch between your saved filters anymore. We also created 4 built-in filters to get you started. You can turn them on and off from the options menu, and you can create a new filter based off of one of these pre-built filters. I'll give you an example. As you can see, the My Scheduled Dispatches filter includes dispatches that you are assigned to or dispatched to, are scheduled to be completed within the next 5 days, and are currently open. If I only want to see my scheduled dispatches that are scheduled today, I can update the time frame filter and save the filter. I'll call it Today. My new filter has been added to the quick filter bar so I can turn off the built-in filter. Now I've customized this screen to match my workflow, which will save me tons of time. I have one more thing I want to show you. You all probably saw the announcement about the Machine Dashboard. This page was created to make it quick and easy to perform maintenance tasks like checking the status of a machine, performing research, or finding a solution to a down machine as quickly as possible. You can even open this page from a QR code to make creating a new dispatch extremely fast, since we preload the area, line, machine, trade, and dispatch type. As you can see, there are many ways for you to save time by customizing your L2L experience in the Technician Portal and Machine Dashboard. I showed you a lot of improvements today. Everything I talked about today is a result of feedback we received from technicians who use dispatch on a daily basis. Because of this feedback, technicians now have a single screen where they can quickly identify work that is assigned to them, fix a machine, complete a dispatch, and then move on to their next task. They never have to leave the Technician Portal. If you have some suggestions to save yourself some time, we'd love to know. Just go to the community section of our support website and create a new post under the feature request section. Thanks everyone, happy dispatching.